Ummeli kaJordan u-Advocate Norman Arendse uyena ofake isicelo sokuhlehliswa kwecala ethi bafake isicelo enkantolo ephakeme sokuphonsela inselele isinqumo senkantolo emantla sePalm Ridge sokuchitha isicelo sabo sokuba leli cala likhishwe ohlwini lamacala senkantolo sangomhla ziyishumi kuZibandlela nyakenye. Inkantolo ihoxise amacala amathathu okweba abhekene noJordan kanye noHluyo nafaka phakathi ukwebiwa kwemali engaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-800 zamarandi. Kepha i-NPA ithi ukuhoxiswa kwalamacala ngeke kwenze icala lombuso libe ntekenteke.
You would recall that accused number 2 made representations to the regional head of the Specialized Commercial Crimes Unit. So with information that has been made available, the state had to conduct further investigations.
uJordan, uHluyo noNetling baboshwa mhla ziyishumi-3 kuLwezi ka-2024 badedelwa ngebheyili ka-R20,000 umuntu ngamunye. Imantshi uSharon Soko ithi imbandela yabo yebheyili ayiguqukile kuze kuba nesicelo esisemthethweni sokuxegiswa kwembandela yebheyili kaJordan.